My name's Nate. Here at Dr. Caven's office, I had a full smile makeover. Initially, I had my teeth had been damaged through just rough use, like football, not wearing a mouth guard, stuff like that. But over the course of the time, from eating things high in acid and hot foods and all that spicy foods, I'd worn them down quite a bit erosively, and to the point that they just needed to be replaced in whole.
When Nate first came to our office, it was awesome because he's such a fun guy. But he came with a broken tooth. And so when I first looked in his mouth, I see the broken tooth, but what I really saw was tremendous wear all over his teeth, especially for such a young person.
So I wanted to see Dr. Caven, and he went over different type of treatment options and gave me different categories that we can fulfill based on my goals, and together we chose one of them. I went to 3 dentists altogether, but I like Dr. Caven's bedside manner, his conscientiousness, and just more welcome. And he talked about the details of things to the degree that made me much more comfortable with going ahead.
So after a lot of consultation and reviewing many different options, we decided to really reconstruct his whole function and his whole mouth so that he could function better.
You could definitely see you can only see a little bit, that it's a little bit higher here, but when they're together, it was almost like an inverted happy face or something when I brought my teeth together. Yeah, and I like smiling so much that I kind of like look around for someone to smile at nowadays. You know? It was a process. It took a little while, but I get great feedback. The teeth are permanent. It's not anything. It's like having normal teeth were before I messed them up.
We started out with orthodontic treatment, traditional wires and brackets that we did here in our office, and we got his bite where we wanted it to be, and then we restored all of his teeth with ceramic crowns. That allows him now to have a stable, strong bite with a predictable bite pattern. And I think that's really changed his life. Now when I see Nate, he's all smiles, and all he can talk about is how nice things feel.
My mouth actually feels better. I know that when I'm doing things, I'm not hurting myself. I'm not contributing to the problem, just regular use. Plus, when I smile, everybody notices, and it's pretty cool.